It's one way.
Babe! Move.
It's one way.
Babe, move, please.
I can sit here all day.
Kevin, just be the bigger person.
Damn!
Hit my mirror. Yeah. Jesus.
Cook range in Deming, New Mexico as well. And then there's the Chisos population, the Cook range population, and then you get a couple of...
Oh my god, my god, my god! My god! My god!
Really old world. Doesn't surprise me that the fucking Atlantic Ocean, which I'm writing a whole book about.
God damn it.
I got it, don't worry. Move! Just go, asshole!
Very few go across
Go!
oceans.
Where are you going now?
Oh my god, oh my god.
Okay, be quiet. Yeah, get over.
It's all private.
Oh my god.
Guy's a fucking lunatic. He'll stop you. You know, culturally signify, right? Because we're
Thank you.
monkeys, right? We're trying to signify to.
Get asshole!
I'm having a freaking stroke right now. Hope you're not going. Damn. You, dude. God, I don't f***ing drive.
Kids on the street! I've said it twice!
How fast was I going?
Probably about 40. It's kids!
What's the speed limit here?
There's kids!
What's the speed limit here?
Get the f off the street, bud. Get the f off the street.
This is my wife. You have a problem.
Go back and drink.
There's kids!
I'm asking her a question. I'm talking to her, not you.
Behind you. Kids in front of you. Watch your speed.
It's 40 along here. 40. It's 40.
Yo, let's go Portugal, huh?
Huh?
Let's go Portugal.
I'm not really up into that.
Let's go Portugal.
Yeah, it's fine. We got like 25 drunk people here
And what
that can't mind their fucking business. Karens! Karens! You do that?
What's your problem?
Get the cops after you.
Oh my... Oh my god. Are you fucking serious? I'm in a car accident. A car...
Oh, Get the gas pedal! Move!
What a fucking idiot.
So that's it. After the accident, we had some looters try to steal, I guess, the package inside or something. Based on my understanding,
Jesus Christ. Haley's gonna be seeing him for the first time next month. Dude, really?
Your phone cut.
I need this car to speed up if they won't in front of me. Dude. Speed up. Whoa. Baby, look out. That truck is fucking flying right now. Thought about that.
So which one is mine? The big boy can or no?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.